Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a relatively small haul, but this is something that I wanted to touch on as far as saving money at the grocery store. This haul is from Hyvee, so today is Friday, October the 21st. This is their 99-cent sale. They were having daily deals where every single day of the week they would have a sale on certain items. They have now switched to doing like Monday through Thursday and then Friday through Sunday separate sales. This weekend is the 99-cent sale. I'm going to show you everything that I picked up for the 99 cents. So you can get one pack of their Hyvee American singles, which are like the craft singles, and these actually are pretty good. I got these before when they were on sale. They melt and taste just like the craft singles. So you were allowed one of those. You were allowed one 6-ounce container of blackberries, and these blackberries actually look really good. I checked them to make sure that there was no mold or anything. The only issue is when they have sales that are really good on things like this, they go quick. So if you can't get up there like first thing in the morning to get them, you will probably miss out. Now this, hopefully, these will be getting restocked because it is a weekend long sale. The next thing that you were allowed to get was 2 Hyvee orange juices. These are half gallons for 99 cents a piece. You were allowed one 64-ounce bottle of Hyvee apple juice, 2 things of peanut butter, just the small ones, the 1-pound containers. You could get the creamy or the crunchy. This one kind of made me mad because I was just up there a couple days ago and they had it on sale for $1.68 per container. So I picked up 3 of them thinking that that was probably the cheapest we were going to get. And then they had them for 99 cents this weekend. But you were only allowed to get 2, so I went ahead and grabbed 2. And the reason that I am collecting so much peanut butter is not that we just eat it on a daily basis, but we have holiday baking season coming up. So peanut butter cookies and peanut butter fudge are something that we make every year. Now is the time to try to get that stuff because things are running low and the prices just keep going up. Every single time I go to the grocery store, the prices on everything are higher. If you have the ability to get to your store to get in on these sales, definitely do it now while it is on sale to avoid paying higher prices later. The next thing that they had, which this would be really good if you have kids that go to public school and you need to feed them real quick in the morning before they run out the house. My daughter and my grandmother both love these little oatmeal packs, so it was only certain flavors that they had left because some of them were already sold out, and I got up there at like 9 o'clock this morning. So Hyvee's 10-pack count boxes. So each of these you can see has 10 pouches. They had the variety flavor of apples and cinnamon, maple brown sugar, and cinnamon spice. This was the only box that was up there that wasn't split open. They were all kind of beat up. So I got one of those for the 99 cents and then one of the lower sugar, maple and brown sugar. They did also have like a strawberries and cream and I think an apples and cinnamon left. They were super picked over already and people were like slapping each other out of the way to get to them because people here are crazy. The next thing they had, I already opened this bag and dumped it in my little candy bowl, but this weekend you can get the fun-sized Mars candy bars. The bags range from the 8-point-something ounce up to like an 11.5-ounce bag. It says on the little ticket are 99 cents. They had the tickets underneath the specific bags that were on sale for us, so we picked up a thing of the little fun-sized Snickers to add to our candy bowl, which is a really, really good deal. And I will show you my receipt at the end of this and show you exactly how much I saved on each of these items. The last thing that I grabbed, I have been trying to stock these. I do not use extra laundry detergent all the time. My typical laundry detergent is Gain, but they have been putting this extra laundry detergent on sale for 99 cents. They've done it, I think, 3 times so far. This was the 3rd time, and each time they've done it, I have grabbed some. The reason being, when the pandemic hit really bad, laundry detergent was one of the first things that was completely sold out. Nowhere on the shelf, couldn't find it at all. And so then we had to just get whatever we could find. I would rather if that ever happens again, which I'm sure it's going to happen again, because we're already seeing food and things being completely sold out, those things are just sure to follow. So trying to keep some sort of like a backup in the cabinet so that if it gets to the point where it is not on the shelf at all, we at least have something that we can use. Even though this is a really cheap detergent, this one has OxiClean in it. So I figure with the laundry booster, it will work a little bit better than just a really watered down laundry detergent would. So these were 99 cents. They're originally like $4, and this is for the 56-ounce bottle. So it's not a huge bottle, but you were allowed to get 2 today. The first time they had this, 99 cents, you could only get 1. Then the second time you were allowed to get 2, and then now I have 2 this time. So I actually have 5 in my cabinet as a pretty decent backup. It says each of these will do 36 loads. That's probably like really small loads. I don't run my washer until I have a supersized load. So I would say probably with the 5 that I have at least replaced 1 big jug of the Gain that I typically use. In dire situations, I mean, you're not going to have your pick of what you're going to use. It's just going to be whatever you can get your hands on. It's better to me to go ahead and find something that I would be comfortable with using now and just have it back there than to wait until the last minute when there absolutely isn't anything and then just have to resort to whatever is left, or maybe not even having anything at all to clean your clothes. So that's why I got those 2 things. But like I said, not a huge haul. That was all that was on their 99-cent sale, aside from whole roaster chickens are 99 cents a pound if you need that. And then the thick cut American pork chops from their deli counter that you can go to. They have a meat counter and then a deli. I guess the meat counter is what I'm referring to. They were 99 cents per pork chop if you wanted to get those. I didn't grab any meat today just because I already have a roaster chicken that's back in my freezer, and I really didn't need anything else. We're pretty good on the meat right this second. I just wanted to get on these other things, especially like the peanut butter. Every time peanut butter goes on sale, it is wiped out. This laundry detergent, the only reason I found this one that I wanted, that shelf was almost completely cleaned also at 9 o'clock this morning, and that store opens at like 6. So they had 3 different scents. They had the one with the OxiClean, one was like tropical something, and then another scent of this extra laundry detergent. When I got there, they only had 3 bottles left on the shelf, and it was the tropical scent. You were allowed to get 2 bottles. So another woman came down while I was standing there. She took 2 of those 3 that were left, and then I happened to notice some boxes sitting next to the shelf, and that is where the extra with OxiClean was. They just hadn't opened the boxes and sat them on the shelf yet. So I popped the box open and got my 2 of the OxiClean. I mean, you probably shouldn't get into the boxes, but it was being put on the shelf anyway, and whatever. I popped the box and got my 2 OxiCleans extra, but they have this sale going all weekend, so I'm sure most of this, if not all of it, will be restocked throughout the day over the weekend. Usually when they have a sale like this, it's stuff they have just gotten an excess shipment of it, and they know that they're not going to be able to sell it. So they hurry up and put it on a discount and just try to clear out as much of it as they possibly can. But that was my haul that I had for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Also check out some of our older videos, and I will see all of you in the next one.